When working on a car engine, and especially when replacing parts involving gaskets and seals. Guessing the torque of securing bolts can lead to the premature failure of those sealing parts. Utilizing a torque wrench is the best way to ensure proper torque and guarantee a leak-free seal. Now, let's look at the torque wrench itself. It is very similar to ordinary half-inch ratchet, except it is a little longer to allow for easier leverage, and the handle features a dial for precise torque adjustment. It offers two scales, foot-pounds on one side, and Newton-meters on the other. Torque specifications for most common car repairs are easily accessible online nowadays. After dialing in the target torque, securing the bottom lock knob prevents the setting from shifting during use. Before going in with the torque wrench, it's a good idea to hand tighten all the bolts first. Besides specific torque specs, the order of bolt tightening is also important and usually specified. If no sequence is provided, a good rule of thumb is to start from the center and work your way outward. Tightening a bolt with a torque wrench works just like a standard ratchet, but it gives an audible click once the target torque is reached. Torque wrenches are relatively inexpensive, making them an essential tool for any DIYer working on cars.